Alright, we're here today doing dredge maintenance. I put a buttload of hours on this thing this year. So we had to break down the whole 3-stage sluice, pull all the rivets. I'm in the process of cleaning it all up. Let me seal it up and rivet it back together. But I've been able to straighten everything back up. I had some pretty good bends in my box. Some big rocks have landed and made big dings and things. And I straightened that out as much as I could. It got pretty messed up, but everything lines up pretty good, so I'm happy with it. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll put this thing back together. I went ahead and broke the motor and the pump down too. My face cover broke off my air compressor this year. The pump's in great shape, but the motor's burning a ton of oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and send the motor in and have them probably put new rings in it or something, I don't know, but it's burning a lot of oil. So that's where we're at with the motor. The pontoons took a fair amount of damage this year, so we're gonna go ahead and get these all cleaned up and sanded down. Put a coat of that on it. Probably the frame too, but I got a few tweaks in the frame that I gotta go hammer this down, straighten it out. It's not too bad, but I can see a little bit of a tweak that I need to make in the front end. All right, and we're gonna put this all back together, nice and neat. Okay, so we got the metal all cleaned up. Now we're gonna use some and this to seal it back all up with rivets. All right, so here we go. All right, we got her all sealed up. That's how you tear down and put together a 3-stage sluice.